This is the dorsal, the ventral, the anterior, and posterior. In the anterior end of the fish is the mouth. The fish uses its mouth to take in water for breathing and to take in food for eating. Behind the mouth on the dorsal surface are the two nares, which use them for sense of smell. This is the eyes, the scales that protects the fish from injury, the operculum that covers the opening of the gills. Behind the operculum is a line that extends in the tail. This is the lateral line. Pectoral fins, dorsal fins, dorsal spines, dorsal rays, caudal fin, anal fin, and this is the pelvic fin. This is the myomere, epaxial, hypaxial, horizontal septum, myoseptum, and this is the cloaca. This is the upper jaw, lower jaw, orbit, operculum, pelvic fin rays, pectoral fin rays. These are the ribs, vertebra. This is the anal fin rays, hermal spine, neural spine, dorsal fin rays, hypural, and this is the caudal fin rays.